Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to remove your notch on your iPhone. It's actually really easy to do. Now it doesn't remove the notch from applications when you're in the applications, but it does remove the notch when you're on your home screen and stuff like that, so it just looks more aesthetically pleasing without the notch being there. So I'm going to show you how to remove that today. So you're just going to go over to your app store on your iPhone and search, and you want to search for an app called Nacho. Just like that, and then you'll see it's at the top there, Nacho, and then you can just download it. And then once it's downloaded, you want to go over to the application and open it up. Now there's a couple different options you have when you open up the application. You could either import your own backgrounds to take the notch out, or you can click on the bottom where this little arrow is and it says album. And they do have a free wallpaper album here and a NASA album. So I'll just show you some of the options you have under the free album. So you can just swipe over and you'll see there's a ton of different free, nice backgrounds that you could use that remove the notch. Tons of different ones. So I'm just going to import one here to show you as well. So just want to click on import. Just give it a second to load. And then all photos, click your photo. So here's an image that I downloaded myself, and I will click on save once I'm done. And then it'll just ask for permission to add to your photos. So I just click on OK and allow. Now, once you have saved your photo, you can just head back over to your Photos application. Go to your main block of photos, click on the new one, and there you see there that it is done. So you want to click on the little share button in the bottom left corner, scroll down and click on Use as Wallpaper. And then you could just set it and then put it on home screen. Exit out of that there. And as you can see at the top of my screen, my notch is now gone. It looks a lot better than just staring at the notch the whole time. But I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more iOS tutorials. Thanks for watching.